Hi, I'm Tom Heywood and this is Restaurant Pignut. I'm doing a dish called egg dopiaza using British line eggs. First thing we do is cook the eggs in the water bath at 64 degrees for an hour and a half. So we do the water bath technique because we can get it a more accurate temperature cooked, and by cooking it longer it has a more of an eggy flavour because it's a little bit thicker, like a little bit more like boiled egg and salty sort of flavour to it. And then when we start plating, we put yogurt on the bottom. And then we have raw salted onions. And then we crack the egg, take all the egg white off the egg and place it on top. And because it's been held at temperature for so long, it sort of pasteurised the egg anyway, which makes it completely safe to eat. And obviously using the British line eggs, the chicken's already been vaccinated against salmonella anyway. And then we'll have crispy onions on top of that, with a burnt onion powder. Finish with a little bit of sorrel. And the sauce, it's a dopiaza base with chicken stock, and we'll just monte it with a little bit of butter to finish it off. And we'll pass off all the bits and pour it into the sauce. And then to finish the dish, all we do is simply pour the sauce around the egg. And there we have the egg dopiaza using British line eggs.